November 12, 1996. The evening sky above New Delhi glows orange as the passenger planes cross paths. Moments later, a blinding flash, a deafening explosion, 349 souls lost. At Indira Gandhi International Airport, air traffic controller VK Dutta takes his seat. The airspace is busy, flights taking off and landing every few seconds. Among them is Saudi Arabian Airlines Flight 763, a Boeing 747 bound for Riyadh, carrying mostly Indian workers returning to the Middle East. As the massive jet climbs through the clouds, Dutta gives his instruction: Saudi 763, maintain flight level 140, that's 14,000 feet. Roger, maintain 140. Both aircraft are now flying toward each other on the same route. One climbing, one descending. Inside the Kazakh cockpit, the crew struggles to communicate in English. The captain turns to his co-pilot. Unsure, are we at 11.5 yet? Yes. Almost. But they aren't. The Kazakh jet keeps descending, slowly drifting below its assigned altitude. In the control tower, Dutta's radar shows both planes as small green blips. The screen doesn't show altitude, only position. He can't see that one of them is off course. He radios again. Kazakh 1907, report your altitude. No clear reply. Moments later, the Saudi crew spots something outside the cockpit window, a flash of metal, rushing toward them. 6:41 p.m. The tail of the Kazakh jet slices through the wing of the Saudi 747. Both planes explode in midair, scattering wreckage across the fields near Charki Dadri. Witnesses on the ground see burning debris falling from the sky. The sky just lit up, like the sun had exploded, one villager recalls. Rescue teams rush to the site, but there are no survivors. Bodies, twisted metal, and pieces of both planes are spread for miles. Investigators arrive at dawn to find the crash sites, 7 kilometers apart. One question haunts them. Rescue teams rush to the site, but there are no survivors. Bodies, twisted metal, and pieces of both planes are spread for miles. Investigators arrive at dawn to find the crash sites, 7 kilometers apart. One question haunts them. How could two experienced crews, guided by air traffic control, collide in clear skies?